What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra, Sydney, Melbourne, Queensland. The correct answer is Canberra. The city of Lille is located in which European country? France, Italy, Georgia, Belgium. The correct answer is France. In psychology, what does the second H in the abbreviation ADHD stand for? Hyperactivity, hypochondriac, hypothesis, hysteria. The correct answer is hyperactivity. In the popular drinking game beer pong, the ball used comes from which sport? Tennis, table tennis, golf, badminton. The correct answer is table tennis. Which battle is often seen as the turning point in the American Revolutionary War? Battle of Bunker Hill, Battle of Yorktown, Battle of Saratoga, Battle of Lexington. The correct answer is Battle of Saratoga. Which river flows through the city of Baghdad? Euphrates River, Nile River, Jordan River, Tigris River. The correct answer is Tigris River. Dingo dogs are protected in some parts of Australia, while in other areas they are considered pests and targeted for eradication, sacred animals and revered by indigenous communities, icons of conservation and protected at all times, captive animals and used for research purposes. The correct answer is pests and targeted for eradication. According to the Old Testament, whose descendants were promised to be as numerous as the stars in the sky and the sand on the seashore? Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jacob. The correct answer is Abraham. On food packaging, a circle with a U inside it means the food is certified as what? Organic, kosher, vegan, gluten-free. The correct answer is kosher. What is the name of Italy's world-famous fashion capital? Venice, Milan, Rome, Florence. The correct answer is Milan. How many hearts does an octopus have? 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 3. A cowcatcher is a metal grill attached to the front of which type of vehicle? Tractor, train, truck, bus. The correct answer is train. A bushel was originally used as a standard unit to measure the weight of which product? Wheat, coal, cotton, apples. The correct answer is wheat. Which ancient Greek city-state was famous for its strict military training and discipline? Athens, Corinth, Thebes, Sparta. The correct answer is Sparta. Performing arts. Which legendary playwright brought us the tragic tale of Prince Hamlet? William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson, John Milton. The correct answer is William Shakespeare.